This question says to solve each of these equations. When you look at the equation, you are seeing that there is a denominator. Do not make this denominator intimidate you. Here is the assignment question. Copy it down carefully. All right, x minus 3 over 2 equal 1. Whilst I'm going to type this one down. Okay. So it's a fraction. There is a numerator, which is 2x subtract 4 divided by 3. All right. Calmly write that down. There's nothing else. Equal 2. Okay. We want to solve for x. We want to get x by itself. We have 3 numbers to cancel out. There is a 2 multiplying to x. That's the coefficient. So normally the coefficient is the last thing on the list to divide by that coefficient because it is stuck to the x. So normally the last thing is to divide by that 2. So you can leave that 2 for that dividing by 2. You can leave it for later. You have the negative 4, but then the whole 2x minus 3 is divided by 3. That whole 2x minus 4 is divided by 3, sorry. So the logical thing here to do is to cancel out dividing 3 by multiplying. Cancel out a dividing 3 by multiplying. 3 is being divided, so we cancel out that 3 by multiplying on both sides. And when you are multiplying to cancel out, it's always good to use brackets. Okay. So an approach you can take as soon as possible when you have a denominator you want to solve, cancel it out as soon as possible by multiplying. Multiply on the left, we have to multiply on the right. So don't make that 3 that is in the denominator that intimidate you. Multiply it out. Multiply it out. Same way. Don't let that 2 intimidate you below there. So at the same way I type this out, do this with the x minus 3 over 2. All right. Put them in brackets, put the left and the right in brackets, and put your multiply, and whatever is down there, you multiply it up there. If you multiply on the left, you multiply on the right. What will happen now? 2x, 3 disappears, 3 cancels out. We are left with 3 to the 6 on the right. Okay, the 3 cancels out. Okay, so now 3 has been cancelled out because that 3 up there was cancelled out by that 3 down there. That 3 down there was cancelled out by that 3 up there. So there is no need to clear that bracket inside there anymore because there is no more 3s anymore. So that leaves 2x minus 1 by itself. Now we can add 4 on both sides to cancel out 4. Okay. Minus 4 plus 4 will give us 2x. 6 plus 4 will give us 10. And then remember when you said that coefficient of x, the last thing we are going to do is to divide by that coefficient. Normally, when you have a coefficient, it's normally the last thing on the list. If we divide on the left, we have to divide on the right. Divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 1x is equal to 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. So 1x is equal to 5. All right. So please apply. This one is a little simpler because the coefficient of x is 1. So that last division by 2, you will not be dividing by any number because there's no point dividing by 1. Okay, so this one is slightly simpler than this one we just demonstrated there in the worksheet.